How to play Roblox on GeForce Now. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, I'll be showing you guys whether it is possible to play Roblox on GeForce or not. So first of all, you need to open a tab in your browser and search for GeForce Now game list. Hit enter, tap on the first link that appears. This page shows all of the game available on GeForce Now. We can search for Roblox by scrolling down to the R section, but we won't be able to find it over there. So we see games like Rocket League, Road Redemption, and Rogue Company, but Roblox isn't there. So even if we use the search bar, nothing appears. So as of now, GeForce do not offer Roblox as a cloud playable game, but however, you can use now.gg as an alternative. So you can open a new tab and search for now.gg Roblox. Click on the first link that says Play Roblox online for free on PC and mobile. And now.gg lets you play Roblox on any computer via the cloud, similar to GeForce Now. So I recommend using now.gg as it is the best alternative since GeForce Now does not offer Roblox. So I hope this helps you find an alternative way to play Roblox instead of using GeForce Now. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.